A warm good morning to all dear students. Today in our EBS class we are going to start our new chapter 16 birds. Children, whenever we see birds flying we feel happy, isn't it? There are so many types of birds, each one of them is unique. Surely you would have noticed many kinds of birds in the city where you live. Some types are found all over the country, while others live only in certain areas. In this chapter, let us learn more about birds. First, we will talk about common birds. Children, different birds inhabit different places and are seen in plenty in those areas. For people who live there, these become commonly seen birds. Common birds are the birds that we see every day around us. Some examples of common birds are sparrow, crow, pigeon, etc. Most common birds can fly using their wings, and female birds lay eggs. Body shape and structure. All birds have a beak, wings, feathers and tail. But nature has made each bird unique. The beaks, wings, feathers, tail, eating habits, nests, etc. of each bird are different and suited to its environment. Birds usually have light, hollow bones that make their bodies very light. Most birds have a body that is shaped almost like an airplane. Beaks. Beaks help birds in eating their food, catching prey, and changing the direction while flying. The shape of the beaks depends on the type of food that the birds eat. We can see this when we look at a crane. A crane has a long beak that helps it to catch fish, and hummingbird has a long sharp beak that can be stuck into a flower to suck nectar. On the other hand, we see that the kite has a strong, sharp hooked or curved beak that helps to tear the flesh of the small animals it eats. Birds' feet. Birds have different kinds of feet depending on where they live. Water birds that swim in the water like ducks have webbed feet. Water birds that move in the water to catch fish have long, thin legs and thin toes. Kites and owls have strong claws to catch and hold their prey. Most birds have curved toes to hold tightly when they sit or perch on trees. They can even sleep on a branch without falling off. Sound made by birds. All birds produce sound like the cawing of a crow, the chirping of a sparrow, the quacking of a duck, and so on. Birds communicate using their sounds. They call out to other birds or tell other birds about their territories with the sounds they make. Some birds, like parrots, imitate human sounds. Parrots can imitate human talk too. How do birds fly? Birds can fly because of two reasons. They have light, hollow bones, and the shape of the body is almost like that of an aeroplane. A bird's wings direct the air in such a way that it allows them to fly. The tail helps the bird to steer in the right direction. The feathers also play a role in enabling the flight of a bird. A bird has mainly three kinds of feathers. First one is down feathers. The down feathers cover its body and keep it warm. Second is flight feathers. Flight feathers on its wings help in movement. Then tail feathers. The tail feathers spread out like a fan when it lands on the ground. Bird's nest. Birds build their nests with the help of straw, grass, twigs, and feathers. They lay their eggs in their nest. They sit on eggs to keep them warm and thus guard the eggs. When the eggs hatch, the babies stay safely in the nest till they can fly and look after themselves. So, next time, if you come across a bird's nest, do not touch it. Look it carefully every day. You may see the eggs hatch and the babies grow. Some very interesting nests built by birds are: first is a tailor's bird's nest. This little bird stitches leaves together to make its nest. As you can see this picture, then a weaver bird's nest. This bird uses bits of dry grass and weaves them into a particular shape. A woodpecker nest. It often finds a small hole in the tree trunk and make it big enough with its beak to stay inside. So students, what we came to know in this chapter bird? We came to know that there are different types of birds are found in nature. Some common birds that we see around us are sparrow, crow, pigeon, etc. Different types of birds make different sounds. Birds also differ in the shape of their beak, their body color, their eating habits, etc. All birds have a beak, wings, feathers, and a tail. Beaks help birds in eating their food, catching the prey, and changing the direction while flying. And the body of birds resembles the shape like aeroplane. Yes, and birds have also light and hollow bones that help them to fly. I hope students, in this module you have gathered very interesting informations regarding birds. In our next module we will come up with our new and fresh topic. Till then, bye.